So first you're gonna go to FunMate, FunMate, and then you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna press the the plus button at the bottom, edit a video, and then you're gonna click your pictures first. Yeah, so I'm scrolling down and I'm trying to find. So I'm doing the Billie Eilish and Ariana Grande one. So I'm picking my photos, but you gotta pick them in order, or you could pick them however you want. But I'm picking them in order. So then, when you pick your stuff, put portrait and then edit video. Then you're gonna put your first edit, your first transition, what you put. You see that dash, and then you click and then you put it. And then you add your music, you press the add music, and then you do that, and then you do it with the beat of the music, like this. Make sure it's on beat. And then once you're done that, you'll add more transitions to each clip. Make sure it's on beat. You can make them smaller or you can make them bigger. So you can make the pictures bigger or smaller. If you don't want to pay for paid transitions, just use the free ones without any signs or anything on top. So you're just gonna do it until it says on the beat, because you can hear the music while you're on the beat. So then you're gonna put all of your stuff, and it works on the beat. I chose a specific one. It's the forgot how it goes, but I just chose audio, and my cat is in here. So yeah, say hi, Lena. She just smelled the microphone. So while I'm doing that, we're just gonna talk, just pick all your transitions that you want, and you'll be ready. And make sure it's on beat, so it can be looking cool. So here's the thing: if you wanna pay, you can get the plus ones. If you wanna pay, you can get the plus transitions, and it can look cooler. But if you don't want to pay and waste money, then you could just use the free ones that's there. So when you're done with all of that, you can just post it for free. So you don't have to pay or anything to get plus. So here's the stuff that I did. So yeah. Yeah, that's so far. I gotta add more transitions. So yeah. Here we go. You see how that's on beat? You gotta do it on beat like that. So yeah, make sure it's on beat. Make sure you do. If you don't want any transitions, it could be like an app where you just put pictures there. So yeah, but everybody likes to use that app so they can do edits for free and not use VideoStar, because VideoStar you have to pay for the edits like that. So yeah, I'm just adding another one. Here you go. So that's my edit. So I'm done. I'm gonna click the arrow, and then it's gonna load me. That's there's a problem. Then I clicked it again, and then there, and then you click the other arrow, and then you can watch it if you want to, and then you click the arrow to the right. You post it. You can remove your watermark if you have plus. So I'm posting it, And after it loads, you're gonna save it to your camera roll. So press that button on the right and, press the X when you're done.